Hello. Now we continue our Othello. You had been already watching my all classes till 18. Now we plan to take 19th class. No, I have been under a surgery, and after that I resume my classes now. Within short time we will come to the offline. So before that, some more classes we have to finish. That is why even during my convalescence period, I am in front of you. I hope all people have bought a textbook, and now we are almost act number 3 till unit number 50. I finish in 18th class, I think. And I hope and I find a lot of comments that you enjoyed. Even students out of our college comment a lot. And we will march towards the program in a correct way. Now, just like a recap on the last class, that Brabantio out of shock, and Rodrigo Iago in a different route to make allegation on Othello, and Brabantio all of a sudden going to Duke and complained about his daughter's problem. And during this time, Duke was totally perplexed because the nation was going to be attacked by Ottoman Spurs. And there was a type of quarrel between Ottomans and Venetian people. So in the Cyprus has been located as a center of their what is called resentment and quarrels. And as you have, I think you have watched Battleship as a war, American ship going in the Atlantic Ocean, and the type of alienated persons coming from different planets and attack. And within almost a couple of years, a Battleship produced by Columbia Pictures. I have not seen such a movie in my life. That you have to watch. What is called Battleship, that is available in Amazon, where you will get the gravity of what is called a battle even in the Atlantic Ocean by alienated people and the Navy of America. Such a beautiful, photographed or cinematographed movie, probably the second one after Independence Day by America. So that type of vision that we get when we get the battle and all that. So here Brabantio is perplexed on the one hand, Othello is going to be perplexed on the other hand. At the same time, Duke is totally perplexed. A total perplexed situation is being created towards the end of third act and the third scene, act number 3 during this time. That was the recap that you have to keep in mind, okay? And what must know is nowadays people get. Today I watched, what you call a news in Asianet, and also that is given in the Hindu newspaper. All right, one Mr. Sudesh. We should appreciate such people. Mr. Sudesh from Kodaikanal communicated a press conference yesterday. Mr. Sudesh said, he all of a sudden called a press conference, because now he is running a very big resort in Kodaikanal. All right, and Mr. Unsimilar to our behavioral people, those in the SSLC result already came yesterday, and plus 2 result is going to be published within a few days. And Mr. Sudesh reported in the press conference 98% or 99% people passed, but a few, almost 2,000, 3,000 people failed in the exam. All right, those failed candidates should not be kept unnoticed. Mr. Sudesh reported in the newspaper, Hindu newspaper today. It was a big column of news published today in Hindu newspaper. What did he do? he told the press people that he was a person, in 1980s failed in SSLC. And after failure in SSLC, what did he do? He went away from the house and made his journey towards Kodaikanal and started like a paper boy and began to work in so many tea shops and all that. And Mr. Sudesh now is the owner of a very big resort where in Kodaikanal he can accommodate 1,000 people. Such an opulence, such a richness he had obtained even after failure in SSLC. So he convened a conference today to publish, and what did he offer to the people? All people passed SSLC, they are recognized, their photographs coming in the newspaper. But where are the few, those who failed in the exam? What is their condition? Who knows? Who cares about failed candidates? So I am here, Sudesh reporting. I am here to help them. I open my resort to the failed candidates of SSLC 2020-21 to come and enjoy with the parents in my resort free of cost. And the duration is 1 year time. Sudesh, because Sudesh reports, he knows the real sadness of failure. So in the same way, failed candidates also to be recognized. So he offered to the all failed candidates, with the parents they can come and enjoy in his resort for 3 days without any cost. Such people are there. In the same way, so failure is the stepping stone of success. So some people will be there always to support. And I think you have to be very cautious in your studies. Now, first, and let us go to fifth unit. Then enter Brabantio, Othello, Cassio, and Iago. All people together coming. Where our Duke is presented. Enter Brabantio, Othello, Cassio, Iago, and Roderigo, and some officers. Duke seeing all these people together. What is this? Valiant Othello, we must straight employ you against the general enemy of Ottoman. What is the problem? Ottoman is now trying to attack Cyprus. They have so many hidden plans, and they are coming to attack us. And Othello, all the way Duke watching, all the way Duke looking, Othello's way. Othello, I was waiting for you. Come here. You have a very special assignment, special duty that within a short time you should take charge in, because Ottomans are planning to attack us. Othello, we must straight employ you. I am giving straight away orders. No other way, Mr. Othello, don't tell me any other excuses. You are the general of the army and I am going to give you out of order, in the straightway order. I give the order that you take charge and go to now. Employ you means I give straight away the charge against the general enemy. Ottomans is general enemy to our country. General. All the way they are making troubles and troubles and troubles. Even now you now understand the Afghanistan with the support of China, and even with the support of terrorists from Pakistan, now making lot of problems to India. So Afghanistan, not merely Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, and even Sri Lanka. You know what the latest newspaper says? Sri Lanka is nearly under the control of China. And China, their particular medicine, like vaccination, like Sputnik in Russia, Covishield from Oxford, and Covaxin, and their particular medicine, vaccine is, I don't remember its name, but its name is different. China never disclosed so far the vaccination to any other country, but recent development, today's newspapers say they openly send lakhs of doses of their own produced vaccine to Sri Lanka. Free of cost. No money they charge. because they might have a different plan. Now one of the important ports is under their control, Chinese control. So what does it mean that all the countries who are developing will be always each from the backside? Slowly, backbiting means what? There will be lot of disturbances. Even now Venice, even now Cyprus has been alright, very peaceful nation. They are leading in a correct way, but external forces won't allow, Ottomans won't allow, Ottomans will have a lot of jealousy on Venice and Cyprus, so they are stamped or they are branded like general enemy of the public. So they are general enemy, Ottoman. All of a sudden, Duke sees Brabant. Oh, you are also here, dear Brabant. I did not see you. I did not notice you. You are also here, Brabant. You are also here. Welcome, General Senior. Welcome. All of a sudden, he was talking to Othello. All of a sudden, watching Brabant, Duke say, oh, you are here. Come. Very welcome, Senior. Very welcome, sir. We lacked your counsel and your help tonight. And actually, I thought that you would come and give a lot of counsels and advices. But it is, we lacked. But you are here, most welcome. Brabantio is totally perplexed. As I told, he was totally confused why his only one daughter is lost. So did I, yours, good your grace, pardon me. I also thought that I should come earlier and give you some advices or to be part of a discussion in your palace, but I could not. Pardon me, your grace, your honor, please pardon me, excuse me. Neither my place nor aught I had of business, neither my place nor aught means anything I could have done for you, but I couldn't. Hath raised me from my bed. Nobody was there to inform me, but some people walked me up from the bed. Nor did the general care take any hold of me for my particular grief. But in the meanwhile, in the time, all right, there are a lot of problems in our nation, and I know you are totally desperate, but I should report to you a personal grief. I have a personal grief. That is the problem. I have a particular grief means personal grief. Is so floodgate. It is carrying, floodgate means carrying anything and overbearing the nature, all the overbearing the nature that is engulfs, swallows. It engulfs my spirit. Though I have and you have a lot of troubles in our country, my dear Lord, I have a problem which is a personal problem, which makes me so unhealthy to sit nothing to do in the world. Then took one day and swallows other sorrows. There may be a lot of sorrows. There may be a lot of problems related to our country. Ottomans on the other hand, some other people are doing some problems and a lot of other things. But among these problems, my Lord, I should tell you a personal grief, and it is still itself, this sorrow is swallowing all other sorrows, my Lord. My sorrow, though it is a personal sorrow, personal sadness, it consumes all, it swallows all the sorrows in my life. Duke asking, why? What's the matter? What is the matter? You tell me. Personal grief. What is the matter? You tell me. What did I tell you, my Lord? My daughter. Your daughter? Your daughter? My daughter, oh my daughter. All people, senators, all other people standing in the palace and dead. Which is a personal grief, and he report, oh sir, what shall I say? My daughter. So all people asking, dead? Is it dead? Hey, to me, no. She is abused. Underline. She is abused. That is my sorrow. my lord, I should report my daughter, only daughter, is abused, stolen from me, corrupted. Look, underline this statement very. As a father, he reports, my only daughter is abused. She is stolen. And what is to say more? She's corrupted. Corrupted in all the sense might have been done. All the wrongs to her life. By spells and medicines, I strongly believe, my lord, I say, strongly believe she might have been infatuated. She might have been attracted by some magic. She might have been malicious, might have been given some medicine. Otherwise, I strongly believe my daughter won't do that. My daughter will never do that. But my daughter is abused. My daughter is intoxicated. My daughter is corrupted. My daughter is given a lot of drugs like medicine, I think. Otherwise, she would not have behaved so. She would not have desperately rejected me and go with this man. All right. What did he find? Probably Othello might have done some magic or some evil spirit, black magic. All right, this is even in Elizabethan century, people believe that what is called doing some black magic, what is called mandravadam. All right, some mandravadam. That I also believe in such things in our experiences. Some people know, even I was totally healthy and going. Probably some people might have done a black magic. I fell down and I was admitted in the hospital for a big surgery. All right, usually I walk, usually do my exercise and everything, but on a particular day, particular morning, fell down without any cause. Probably all people believe that it was my carelessness. But if I believe some people might have done a black magic, if they have done any what you call mandravadam, probably would have affected me. Even Brabantio believes in 14th century, 15th century time, this man might have done a black magic. That was the reason my daughter left me. All right, people say no, just like kanner gittum, people say kanner gittum. Out of jealousy, people say. Even a child gets sickness and all that, people say kanner gitti. Then people will, elderly people take mustard and chili and put it in the oven like that. It has a practice in the traditional way. So black magic, sometimes people even thinking about black magic to attack others would be the natural way. So strongly people believe, particularly elderly people believe, our Brabantio believes, Othello might have given certain type of intoxicated drugs to my daughter. Look, otherwise he is coming from Africa. He knows some black magic. So might have done some black magic like mandravadam. Otherwise my daughter would not have gone like that. Reporting to Duke. My daughter, she is abused in the way that might have. I heard of place of so did I yours is flogged, dead. She is abused and stolen from me and corrupted and spells and medicines bought of mountain banks. Look, mound banks. Such a type of medicine, drugs, intoxicated things will be provided by quacks. Quacks means what? Mandravadis, banks, mountain banks, medicine from quacks. Even we find in Macbeth a lot of witches. They are also doing a lot of black magic. So we are compelled to believe that during Elizabethan time, Shakespearean time, black magic and mandravadam, all these type of supernatural elements were available during this time. So this is in 21st century also going. If you are doing some in a what you call very attractive way, people will do some black magic against you. If I believe in so that unknowingly I fell down, I strongly believe some people might have done black magic against me. If I believe there will be no problem. Look, so people should believe such people. Suppose you do something extraordinary, all the people will be looking, oh, what a man, what is this, what a girl, what a boy. That is the reason in a consequent days you will fall down. So my daughter was as simple as a cucumber, as cool as a cucumber. My daughter was as cool as a cucumber. He was very, very, very attractive like ice cream. What a pygmy size of darling. But all of the night she went with a black moor. I cannot believe. Strongly trust he might have done some black magic. Look. So my dear sir, particular medicines, nature to preposterously, she was not in a problem to make a mistake, but she was compelled to, probably was compelled to allow with him. Being no deficit, blind or lame of senses and witchcraft, could not. Probably some witchcraft he might have. Witchcraft in black magic. Mandravadam. Otherwise, my daughter will never go with him. I strongly believe. Duke, whoever he be, that in the fall of proceeding had that beguiled of the daughter of herself. You tell me who is the person? Duke telling, who is the person? You are not telling about the person whom with your daughter has gone. Who is that? The foul proceeding hath now beguiled your daughter for herself, and you have heard the bloody book of law. If it is happening in our country with like that, without your permission, if it is happening in our country like this, not to worry, we have a book of rule. We have a book of law in our country. With that book of law, we will prosecute him. Duke gives a type of green signal. Don't worry, we will prosecute him. Who is the guy you took your daughter? Book of law is here. You should yourself read the bitter and letter. If you have time, my dear Brabantio, you have to read our constitution. You have to read our book of law. You have to read word by word, examine sentence by sentence what we must do in such cases. You should read our constitution, book of law. Then what is to worry? After its own sense, though my proper son, even my own proper son does so. I am the duke. I am the governor. Even if my son does so, he will be prosecuted. That is the rule of the country. Stood in your action, Brabantio. Humbly I thank you, grace. Here is the man. My lord, we have not to send any police people, soldiers to arrest him. He is not hiding, my lord. He is here. Look. Point. He is the man. This Moor, who now it seems your special mandate. You have done a mandate now. You have given an order now. You have given an assignment now to send him to Cyprus. He is the man who took my daughter from my house without my permission, my lord. For the state affairs hath they are brought. All the people, we are very sorry for it. Is it? This man? Duke, Othello. Duke pointing on. What is in your own part? Can you say this? Duke asking Othello. Othello standing there. What is your reply on this matter. Is it correct what I am listening now? Is it correct what you have done now? You tell me your reply. What is your own part? Your own part to explain. What is your here to defend? What is your answer to defend on this Brabantio's complaint? Brabantio, nothing, sir, but this is so. This is the matter. Nothing, sir, in between Brabantio answering, he has no answer because he has done such a cruel mistake. Nothing, my lord. What I said is correct. Then Othello replying, all right, sir, I have to answer. What Othello has to answer, we will see in the next class. Till that moment, goodbye. Okay?